Next is the series connection and parallel connection. अब सीरीज कनेक्शन वैसा ही है, बट अगर हमारे पास दो वोल्ट पैरेलल में हैं, पैरेलल कनेक्शन या फिर दो वोल्ट का डिफरेंस, that will have series connection and parallel connection of the voltage source. Okay, and as you know, in the parallel connection voltage is always same, right? So if this one is V1, this one is final answer would be 1 is equal to, correct? But in case of series, this is V1, the series connection battery will be added equal to 1 plus, got it? If batteries are connected like this, batteries are added, suppose have 3 of volt and volt, that would be 9 volt. Okay, now suppose if battery is connected reverse, like this voltage 3 volt here, and in that case resultant subtracted, that is minus 3 to 3. Understood? बाद में पहले ये करो. Next one is will tell you about the current source. If two currents in parallel, then as you know, according to the Kirchhoff current law, then these current would be added with each other because they are in the final answer, I1 plus I2, right? If both the currents are in the opposite direction, then in that case current would be subtracted I1 minus I2, right? That depends ki I1 value is greater or I2 value. This one as I1, this one as I2, so I1 minus I2, and sign would be like, right? And if both the currents are current source, means as you know connection current is same, so if this is I1, this is I2, and this one will I1 is equal to I equal to I, correct? So basically in the parallel connection it remains, in the series connection battery will be added, but in the case of current source parallel connection current would be added, and in the series connection current would be same.